This is a 2-piece fillet knife set from Sodoma store. Both knives are exactly the same. They're 11.5 inches long and the blades are 6.5 inches. They both have plastic safety lock covers that you can unlock with your thumb. On the top of the knife, it has a serrated side that you can scrape with, and it's pretty sharp. It also has a bottle opener more towards the handle. The knives come pretty sharp. I filleted a little piece of salmon. This salmon right here is kind of halfway frozen, but it does come with a cool little knife sharpener. The sharpener has a steel side for sharpening really dull blade and also a ceramic side for honing. The sharpener has a nice grip to it and it sits flat on both sides. And it has a little keychain, so if you want to hook it to something, you can do that as well. So you got 2 of the same fillet knives, just different colors, one blue and one red. And I hope you have yourself a great day. Take care.